Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're gonna talk about XRP. And once again, this is the one-day chart. Right now, XRP is dipping with the rest of the market. Look at what's going on with Bitcoin. And I think why Bitcoin is dumping is because of what's going on with Tether in the EU. It's going to get delisted off of all of the exchanges, and it's reflected in the price of Bitcoin right now. Where is the bottom? Nobody really knows yet. I'm sure we will soon find out. But the reason that we're still following Bitcoin is because we didn't decouple from it yet. Eventually that will happen as well. But this is the time to do nothing. Don't sell your XRP. This market is going to turn around. I even think this is why we didn't have that big run up going into Christmas. I think the market was preparing for what was going to happen with Tether. And Tether has lost its peg. I'll talk more about that in another video. The next breakout could send XRP to $5 in the short term. Like I said, this was expected to happen by the end of December. It looks like it's now going to happen early January. And the next leg up for XRP is going to send it above a new all-time high. Everyone's just waiting for it to happen. Now's the time to just stay patient and do nothing. If anything, buy the dip on XRP. Remember, cycles repeat. There's more liquidity in the system now than in 2017. More institutions are involved. More partnerships exist. More crypto regulations are taking shape. And yet, without any of these, XRP still outperformed Bitcoin and ETH in 2017. And it's documented. Over a 350x in 1 month. The masses are not ready for what's coming. And you see it right here. And I'm expecting this run to be bigger than 2017. Most people are still thinking XRP is going to hit 3 digits. Let's wait and see what happens. Total crypto users likely to reach 1 billion by 2030. Everybody thinks they're too late to this space. I see people saying, well, XRP is now above $2. I'm late. I should have bought it while it was still under $1. But think about where this market is going. You're still early to XRP compared to where it's going. Every single ISO cryptocurrency right now is very undervalued. You are still going to make a lot of money if you get in now. But I wouldn't wait this out much longer. There is a lot of catalysts for XRP. 2025 is shaping up to be a history-making year for XRP. XRP exit poll reveals strong bullish sentiment among investors. A digital asset investor poll shows 42% of XRP holders target $100, reflecting strong optimism for future growth. Here's the poll right here. And over 14,000 people took this poll. What this shows is a couple of things. Number one, it shows you that most people that hold XRP know it can become a 3-digit asset. And they're not going to sell until it gets to 3 digits. So as we're running up to the $100 on XRP, there's not going to be a lot of sell-off happening. But if they would have put $1,000 in this poll, I'm sure a lot of people would have said they're not exiting until XRP reaches $1,000. Because if you really understand what you're holding, you understand that XRP is not meant to be a $2 and change cryptocurrency. It's meant for so much bigger as far as price. And even the banks, they cannot utilize XRP for on-demand liquidity at the prices XRP is at right now. It has to be at a much, much higher price for it to be utilized correctly by the banks. Here's XRP's price if it reclaims its ratio of Bitcoin market cap before SEC lawsuit. Before the SEC versus Ripple case, XRP was the #2 cryptocurrency, and it held a lot of Bitcoin's market cap. If that was to happen again, it would push XRP to $16. Now, it wouldn't just run up to $16 and come back down. It would stick at $16. It would stay around that price, and then we would run up from there. Now, because Ripple versus SEC is still going on, a lot of value is still being kept out of XRP. A lot of people would have expected institutional adoption to already have happened for XRP if it wasn't for the Ripple versus SEC case. Now, in this next run, I'm still expecting XRP to flip Bitcoin's market cap and become the #1 cryptocurrency. Once that happens, that will change everything forever. And this guy right here can get us back to $16 for XRP. Why Paul Atkins nominated by Donald Trump to succeed Gary Gensler is great news for Ripple, XRP, and the entire crypto industry. Who is Paul Atkins? He's a former SEC commissioner known for his pro-crypto stance and commitment to clear regulations. Donald Trump has now nominated him to replace Gary Gensler. Why does this change matter? Under Gensler, the SEC led an aggressive war on crypto, with Ripple and XRP being the main target. I honestly believe that happened by design. Legal battles slowed down innovation and scared off investors. Direct impact on Ripple and XRP. Ripple's lawsuit resolution. A quicker settlement could finally clear XRP from its legal cloud. Fair regulations. With Atkins, XRP could gain a clear status, making it more appealing to institutions. It will bring more institutions into XRP. Why is this bullish? With a new leader at the SEC, here's what XRP could gain. Stronger legitimacy in the United States. New waves of institutional and retail investors. Massive adoption of RippleNet and ODL, on-demand liquidity, both relying on XRP. I think this could change things very fast in the United States for XRP. I'm sure a lot of banks would love to have on-demand liquidity. But this is how we get that market cap value back. This is how XRP once again becomes the #2 cryptocurrency, and it would push it to that price point of $16. Again, in this run, I am still expecting XRP to flip Bitcoin's market cap, and that's going to be an absolute game changer. You want to be here when that happens. XRP holders, Ripple seen running trials with NASDAQ, the second largest exchange, $20 trillion. Take a listen.
And, this guy sells it to that guy. That's essentially, what the stock exchange does. So if you can have a common ledger to be able to exchange those IOUs at, then that certainly makes sense. And there's examples of Korean banks partnering with local, Bitcoin companies for the settlement. People like the IMF or World Bank or these kind of people are always talking about these sort of blockchain settlement systems. NASDAQ is involved in I think, doing some trials with Ripple as well. So
if they're already doing trials with Ripple, this could be another catalyst in 2025. Everything is building momentum for XRP throughout next year, and it is going to be a history-making year for XRP. XRP's success has been planned for decades. It's not a gamble. It is all well documented. XRP and XLM are the future of the new world of finance, period. The ISO 222 compliant cryptocurrencies have been handpicked too, aka safe. I always said, if you want to get into crypto without gambling, these are the cryptocurrencies that you buy. XRP, ADA, QNT, Algo, XLM, HBAR, MIOTA, and XDC. They're not overvalued. They're very undervalued right now compared to where they're going. Once ISO goes live in 2025, I'm expecting a run-up on every one of these cryptocurrencies. I'm expecting gradual upward movement, long-term upward movement on these cryptocurrencies. It might not happen like an overnight event, like everyone always says. They're going to flip the switch and overnight XRP is going to go to $1,000. I think a lot of other things have to happen first. I still think Ripple is going to capture a good portion of that derivatives market as well. But even the rest of these cryptocurrencies, they all play a specific role in the new financial system. And that's why I always urge you to diversify and hold a little bit of each of them, because they can all give you financial freedom. They can all lead you to generational wealth. And a lot of people keep asking me, how do I get this passive income? Very soon, your XRP, XDC, and XLM holdings will be one of the most valuable commodities on Earth. Rather than selling these assets, consider lending some of your assets to liquidity pools as this space evolves. They will likely offer double-digit returns annually. And that's how you will earn off of your crypto. Right now, there's still some risk with those AMMs. So I want to tell people all the time, listen, the institutions are coming. So once the institutions get here, they're going to open up risk-free passive income options where you could loan out your crypto and get passive income. We're just not quite there yet. And I would never tell you to do something that would risk you losing any of your crypto. I want to wait and see how many options that these institutions open up early on. But what's great about passive income, say we're in a bear market, you're still earning during that time. You're still going to get a monthly check while we're sitting in a bear market. And the institutions will get us to that point. People are going to be borrowing against their crypto, paying it back with passive income from another cryptocurrency that they hold. You will become your own bank. All you got to do is continue holding your XRP and whatever other ISO cryptocurrencies that you're holding. Even in that video yesterday, I said they're trying to shake you out. Whenever they come up with these rules, that shakes out retail. Institutions, they don't care. They're not coming here to buy the bottom and sell the top. Retail does that. But they're trying to shake you out because they don't want you getting rich in this space. That's why you gotta continue to hold. For the first time in history, you beat the institutions to this space. You gotta take advantage of it. You gotta get that financial freedom. And XRP can easily give you financial freedom. All you gotta do is hold it long enough. That's it. And don't get shaken out when the market dips. Every time the market turns red, I see people wanting to run for the door. It's like these are normal dips. And what's going on right now is we're pulling back with the rest of the market because of the Tether news and what's going on with Mika. We're going to know more on how that's going to affect the price going forward as this goes into full effect. I don't think this is going to be the end of Tether. I think the end of Tether will come once US puts stablecoin regulations in place, because Tether's not going to pass US stablecoin regulations. That will most likely be the last nail in Tether's coffin. But the EU is going to have a big impact on Tether and the price of Bitcoin. But let's wait and see how it all plays out. We are XRP investors. We're here to get rich. And until it happens, stay patient, stay positive. We will get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.